Hey guys, how's it going today? Mike Troll, Amsoil dealer here with you today. And so we've got the 2002 Cavalier that's been featured on the channel many times, and it's getting ready to go to its next owner. As you may know, if you are a subscriber, that I acquired this 03 Accord, and that is a really good car. Sorry, it's really dirty, and we've already done several things on that, and we've got a lot more to come. But anyway, the 02 Cavalier, though it's got some issues, the paint and stuff, I mean, mechanically it's very sound thanks to Amsoil and a little preventive maintenance. So, but what I wanted to talk about in this video was the Amsoil My Garage. So, if you were like me, you keep your vehicle maintenance in some type of notebook or maybe on a spreadsheet. Well, Amsoil has this feature called My Garage, and so every time you change your oil or put struts on your car or tires, you can go in and update, what you've done. And so I've never been able to use this feature before until now, and I actually printed, this is like 35 pages, my vehicle service history. And I mean, we have everything from replacing the shocks and struts back in 2012, alignment, tire rotation, added Amsoil PI, where's like the more, oil and filter change. So let's go back. Here's where I first did the transmission to Amsoil. I don't know if you can make that out, but 2006. This was my very first experience with Amsoil, and I did change it out to their transmission fluid and became a dealer shortly after that in 07, and so the rest is history. But this is a nice little thing that I can include with the car, going right to the new owner. And so I'll put a link down below in the first comment, and you can go on. You don't have to even buy anything. You can put in any type of maintenance on any type of equipment. It doesn't have to be a car. It could be a tractor or anything. Hey, just saying hey to the neighbor there. But so anyway, I'll put a link, and it's a nice feature. But what we do on this channel is generally we're changing fluids on different types of vehicles to Amsoil synthetics. And so if you're interested in that type of thing, definitely consider subscribing and sharing the video with people who might be interested. And thanks a lot. So this car has actually been a large part of the channel, and you can go back and check out some of the things I've done. But this is a solid running car. I was driving it 300 miles a week and getting 32 miles per gallon out of it. And so it's got an air filter in here that Amsoil doesn't actually make anymore, but it's made out of nanofiber media. It's dry, it needs no oil, and you just blow it out. And I have been using that filter for a long time, but basically once you bought one, you didn't need to replace it. So I don't think they were profitable for them anyway. And this battery is it's a really good AGM. So the new owner's getting a really good battery. Taylor Thunderbolt wires. There's NGK Iridium plugs in there. And so anyway, it's not the greatest car, but I just didn't feel right sending it to a junkyard. Let's hear how it starts up after many years with Amsoil. Alright, so let's hear how it starts up. Not bad for 171,000 miles. This is 2002. AC work. It's been a good car, and like I said, I acquired this Honda from a very generous person at my church, and that's the only reason I'm getting rid of this. But so let's see what we are including with the car. I have a Haynes manual, and that's always a nice thing to have as a vehicle repair manual. And of course I got to throw in a catalog, you know, in case he does want to do Amsoil. And of course the vehicle service report that I was talking about. And here is my information. That's my website, number1synthetic.com. But you can also go to amsoil.com, and if you don't mind, put in my dealer number there, 146-3115. Not that you have to make a purchase, but if you ever do feel inclined, that would help me out, and I would be very appreciative. There'll be a link down below as well in the first comment. And so I appreciate it, guys. Here's to taking care of your vehicles.